Hey friends, if you wish to fix network failed error or failed network error while downloading on your Windows computer from any Chromium based browser, then please watch this video. Now, interestingly, I found a resolution that someone posted and a lot of people approved this one. The main reason is that the date and time was not synced. So here's what you can do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and select date and time in the right pane. Turn all these three switches on for time zone automatically, set time automatically, and show the time, and then click on sync now. The next solution is to use the incognito mode, and I'm showing it for Microsoft Edge because it's a Chromium based browser. It's the same for all Chromium based browsers. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select new in private mode and try opening the website here. The next solution is to check the internet speed. Search for fast.com here. The next solution will be to update the browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select help and feedback. Click on Microsoft Edge, about Microsoft Edge, and it will update the browser. And the last solution is to reset the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select settings. Select reset settings. Select restore settings to their default value and select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.